These beef pan-fried dumplings are golden and crispy on one side and soft as a bun on the other one. I show you the techniques to make them. Here are the ingredients for 30 dumplings. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Dilute 20 grams of sugar in 22 centiliters of warm water. Add 5 grams of yeast and let it sit for 15 minutes. In a mixing bowl, put 400 grams of wheat flour. Pour in the preparation with the yeast. Mix all together. Knead for 5 minutes. Put it in the mixing bowl. Cover it with cling film. Let the dough rest for 2 hours at room temperature. Boil 50 grams of sweet potato noodles for 5 minutes. Drain them and rinse them with cold water. Let them drain. Mince 20 grams of celery, and 50 grams of spring onion, grate the ginger. Keep 1 teaspoon. Toast half teaspoon of Szechuan pepper. Regularly stir. As soon as fragrant, cut the fire. Crush it. Cut the sweet potato noodles into small chunks. Put in a mixing bowl 200 grams of ground beef, half teaspoon of Chinese five spice powder, a Szechuan pepper, a grated ginger, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, some ground pepper, 1 egg, 8 centiliters of water. Mix until getting a sticky filling. Then add the celery and the spring onion, the sweet potato noodles. Mix again. Keep the filling in the fridge. To make the dipping sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, half teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of chili oil. After 2 hours of rest, knead a little the dough to remove the air bubbles inside. Spread it to get a dough of half a centimeter thick. Cut 8 centimeters diameter circles. The dumplings will be placed on a parchment paper. Put 1 teaspoon of filling in the center of the disc of dough. Flatten it a little. Unclose the filling by pinching both ends. Put them towards the center. Flap the two short sides, one on the right, the other on the left, to completely close the dumpling. There is another easier way to make them. Flip the disc in half and press on the edges to enclose the filling. To pan-fry a batch of dumplings, dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in 1/2 cup of water. Put 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over medium-low heat. When the oil starts to get hot, put the dumplings. Add the diluted cornstarch. The dumplings will steam, and their side against the pan will grill and become crispy. Put the lid, but leave a small slot for evaporation. Cook without stirring for about 12 to 14 minutes. The water must be completely evaporated. Serve them hot. Bon appétit! The bottom of dumplings is crispy and golden. The other sides are soft and recall the texture of the buns. This dish has a lot of taste: the beef, the celery, the spices, the sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.